Tough time building your affiliate marketing. Start with these top tips. You have always wanted to find out about, or possibly enhance your current knowledge of affiliate marketing and have scoured the internet for information to help you. The tips and tricks we provide in this video, when followed as suggested, should help you to either improve on what you have already done or help you start off well. If your products are less than reputable, it can cause a big dent in the profits you will bring in across time. Always make sure you research each supplier individually and don't sell anything in your name you wouldn't be comfortable with using yourself. One slip-up can put a permanent mark on your record and hurt your company a lifetime down the road. To be treated fairly, you should avoid affiliate marketing companies that do not pay you a lot. You should compare offers and negotiate. You should expect a bonus of at least 20% on each product that you sell to a customer. Any company offering less is not treating you fairly. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. To summarize, there is quite a bit to learn about affiliate marketing. Do not be overwhelmed though, because there is a lot to take in. Depending on your situation, either your continued success or the start of a new challenge is dependent solely on your willingness to learn and also the personal commitment that you invest. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.